songs or sounds do you use if you're having a rough time falling asleep?
I got it. I mean this.
All right, well, while you think about it, I'll answer.
There's an app called White Noise. I use brown noise. Yeah. It's just a lot of pooping. And I just played, Jensen a long time ago sent me a voice memo of him just humming, so I played that too.
It's just on a loop.
Oh, such bullshit.
But it's weird because the humming I do is... And I don't know why that works, so it puts it down. So, no lie, we've never discussed this. I too have white noise.